Welcome, friends. Today we will unlock the secrets of purchasing power parity. Ever wondered how prices and exchange rates are supposed to move together? So, this video breaks down the purchasing power parity theory, revealing 7 powerful real world benefits implications for global economics. Why this concept is crucial, we will discover how purchasing power parity theory helps to understand us what is it and the law of one price purchasing power parity versus market exchange rates, its benefit, inflation analysis, exchange rate forecasting, international comparisons, and in investment decisions. It also helps in knowing trade balance insights and policy making and economic convergence. Along with, we will see the limitations and real world examples. So, whether you are a student of economics or trader simply curious about global economy, this explanation of PPP will provide valuable insights. So, let us start. Have you ever wondered why a dollar buys less today than it did yesterday? Or why your favorite imported gadget suddenly got way more expensive? So these answers will be taken care by PPP theory. So this theory sounds super academic, but understanding this theory can unlock some serious insights into global economics, inflation, and why prices change the way they do. What is PPP and how it benefits the world? So, what is PPP theory? Let us understand. A basket of goods costing $100 in US and is equivalent to another currency, say pound in euro. So what is the purchasing power parity? At PPP is an economic theory that suggests exchange rates between currencies like dollar, pound, and the more. So between currencies should equalize the prices of an identical basket of goods and services in any two countries. Think of it like that. A Big Mac cost $5 in New York and the exchange rate is 1 is to 1 euro, then that same Big Mac should cost £5 in Paris. If it costs £4 in Paris, the theory suggests that euro is undervalued relative to the dollar or vice versa. So it is all about the purchasing power, what your money can actually buy. PPP is equal to exchange rate is equal to price of basket of goods. So this is not always perfect because there are trade barriers, taxes, and different tastes. But PPP gives us a powerful benchmark. Here, the thing, it is not just about Big Macs, it applies to everything. It helps in understanding real exchange rates, currency converter showing nominal exchange rate. So, PPP helps us to understand the real exchange rate, the rate you see on your phone. That is the nominal rate. But what if goods are way cheaper in country B? Then your money goes further there. Even if the nominal rate is the same, PPP helps us to adjust for this. It tells us if a currency is overvalued or undervalued based on what it can actually purchase. So if you travel, knowing this can help you to your budget way more effectively. Have you ever felt that your money is stressed further in one country than another, even with the same exchange rate? That is PPP in action. Second benefit, it helps in measuring inflation differences. It's fantastic tool for comparing inflation rates. If a currency's PPP adjusted rate is weakening against another, it often means inflation is higher in the first country. Imagine a country A has 5% inflation and country B has 2%. Over time, the currency of country A will likely to depreciate in PPP terms to reflect that higher price increase. Why does this matter? It helps policy makers and investors to see where the prices are rising fastest fastest, indicating the potential economic imbalances. So it is the biggest driver of inflation in your country right now. Let me know the third benefit, economic productivity comparisons in manufacturing tech services with productivity level is known. When moving on the benefit 3, comparing economic productivity, when we use PPP to adjust GDP, we get a much cleaner picture of how productive different economies really are. A country might have a lower nominal GDP, but if its cost of living and doing business is significantly lower, its PPP adjusted GDP could be much higher, reflecting greater output relative to cost. This is crucial for international organizations trying to understand global economic powerhouses and developing economies. It is not just about the number, it is about what that number mean on the ground. Fourth benefit is informing international trade deals. Benefit showing or informing international trade. Businesses and governments use PPP based calculation to set fair prices for goods and services traded internationally. If a product is significantly cheaper in one country, an exporter might price it higher to capture more value, or an importer might seek to source it there. It helps level the playing field, preventing situations where countries' products are artificially cheap or expensive due to currency fluctuations alone. So, without PPP consideration, trade deals could be unfair. Next, benefit guiding investment decisions. When deciding where to invest, understanding a country's PPP adjusted economic health is vital. A country with a strong undervalued currency, according to PPP, might offer better investment opportunities because assets are relatively cheaper. Conversely, if a currency is overvalued by PPP standards, it might signal a potential future depreciation, making investments riskier. Next, benefit in adjusting wages and salaries. Adjusting wages and salaries for multinational companies and international employees, PPP adjustments are essential for fair compensation. A salary that looks great in high-cost country might be insufficient in a low-cost country, and vice versa. PPP helps to ensure that purchasing power remains relatively consistent across different locations. So when we think about the difference in rent or groceries between say San Francisco and a smaller town in Eastern Europe, PPP helps to bridge that gap for fair pay. Next benefit is in understanding global poverty levels. Understanding global poverty levels, international organizations like World Bank use PPP adjusted GDP per capita to measure poverty and development. This provides a more accurate comparison for living standards with vastly different price labels. It helps us to see where aid is most needed and track progress in improving lives more effectively than looking at nominal figures. It truly paints the more accurate picture of the global economic landscape. So there are 7 real-world benefits of understanding purchasing power parity, understanding real exchange rates, comparing inflation, assessing productivity, informing trade, guiding investments, adjusting wages, and measuring poverty. It is fundamental concept that impacts everything from your daily purchase to global economic policy. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.